It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Monday, the 16th of November. I'm Michael Groff. Above average temperatures will be the rule around here for most of the upcoming week, near record highs, in fact, at times. We'll see a gradual cooling trend as we head toward the weekend and next week. Will that be accompanied by some rain? Let's get into it first. Yesterday, a beautiful day in the valley, 82 degrees, the afternoon high, just a little above that average high of 76. The morning low was 50. Outside now, here at this early hour of 5:30 a.m. We've got clear sky out there. We're sitting at 57 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 24, relative humidity 28%. The air is calm, and the barometer is falling. Temperatures around the area this morning, 42 at Fort McDowell, 47 Goldfield, 48 at Fort McDowell. Most of us are in the 50s. There's even a few 60s on the board right now. The upper air look across the country, a ridge is building out here in the west, and that's going to be the dominant weather feature for a while, keeping us very warm for mid-November. The watch warning map is pretty quiet across the country. A few winter weather issues up in the Pacific Northwest, some wind as well, but that's about all. Convective outlook also very quiet. No severe weather expected. Hardly any thunder over the U.S. And in the tropics, the only thing going on right now, major hurricane Iota. There's the satellite this morning, and you can see just the rapid intensification that this system has undergone over the weekend. And as expected, now ramped up to Category 4, might even become a Category 5 at the time of landfall later tonight. Again, right there in the northern coast of Nicaragua, and then moving into Honduras. The major concerns, obviously, the destructive, catastrophic winds and the storm surge, which will be in the range of 15 to 20 feet. And then this will produce significant rainfall. Again, probably 10 to 20 inches of rain before it's all said and done over an area that absolutely does not need it after being devastated by Hurricane Eta just a couple of weeks ago. All right, closer to home, the precipitation outlook valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Nothing in the valley, basically nothing statewide. This very tranquil weather pattern is expected to continue, although with a cooling trend later on. We'll talk about it as we get into modeling. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure building in here over the southwest heights, well above average. We've got a trough in the east and a trough well to our west, so things aren't going to change much for a little while down at the surface. Sunny skies today, and it will be toasty. Highs mid and upper 80s. The warmest desert spots could certainly hit the 90-degree mark. Today is the latest that Phoenix has ever seen a high temperature of 90 degrees in the season. So after today, who knows? We could set another heat record here in 2020. That would just be fitting, wouldn't it? Tonight, the sky is clear. Overnight lows should drop into the 50s for most of us, near 60 in the urban core tomorrow. Mostly sunny sky and warm again. High temperatures mid and upper 80s. Pretty much the same deal on Wednesday. Mid and upper 80s. Thursday, we'll see an increase in the number of high clouds around here, enough to call it partly sunny, but still very warm. Highs in the mid and upper 80s. Here's Friday. A weak wave comes through the southwest. No real sensible weather with this other than, as mentioned, some clouds. And temperatures should fall off several degrees. We're likely back in the low and middle 80s, but that's still above our climatological averages. And then as we go to the weekend, the cooling trend continues. Highs upper 70s to near 80 on Saturday, mid and upper 70s on Sunday with just a few passing clouds. There is a weak wave or closed low approaching us from the west, and we'll watch this feature, but models continue to show a weaker solution with this. We'll see that as we go to a week from today. This is Monday the 23rd. And this run actually has this moving a little bit further to the south. It doesn't look like it's going to tap into a whole lot of moisture regardless. I guess there could be enough around for a stray shower someplace, but doesn't look all that promising. Again, an increase in clouds and temperatures should back off a little bit further if that's right, but that's about all. And then as we go out 10 days, this is Wednesday the 25th, a zonal flow here, troughing over the Pacific Northwest, and that looks fairly dry and seasonal with just occasional high clouds. As we look at rainfall off of the European ensemble for the next couple of weeks, a few members are trying to bring in some light precip here late in the week with that weak wave coming through, and a few more next week as we get closer to Thanksgiving, but realistic rain chances not there at this point. The ensemble mean is well under 1/10 of an inch, so it looks like we will stay dry for quite some time. And temperatures off the national blend of models, 89 today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and then that gradual cooling trend as we go into the weekend and next week. High temperatures getting closer to climatological averages as we approach Thanksgiving. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there. Yeah, stay cool and hydrated. Gotta mention that with these warmer temperatures. And have yourselves a fantastic Monday.